This may be a first. The Environment Ministry has scrapped the project for a 2,400 megawatt power plant to be built by an MP of its own party. In this letter dated June 18th, the ministry stated that Navin Jindal's company started construction of the power plant in Chhattisgarh without obtaining the prior environment clearance. And this is not the first time the Jindal Power Limited has been in trouble. In February 2010, Chhattisgarh Environment Conservation Board 2 found the construction going on at the site and asked the company to stop work with immediate effect.
15 मार्च 2010 में हमने पर्यावरण मंत्री श्री जयराम रमेश को जो है इसकी शिकायत की। केंद्रीय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण बोर्ड की एक टीम ने जो है रावर साइट का इंस्पेक्शन किया और उन्होंने पाया कि हमारे द्वारा जो शिकायत की गई है वो बिल्कुल सही है।
And now there's more trouble. Ramesh Agarwal, the whistleblower who sent the complaints to the Environment Ministry, has been slapped with charges of extortion by the Jindals.
जिंदल प्रबंधन के उच्च अधिकारी हमारे पास आए थे और उनके द्वारा ये रिपोर्ट की गई है। उस रिपोर्ट पर और उस गवाहों के बयान की प्राथमिकी जांच करने के बाद हमने श्री रमेश अग्रवाल जी के खिलाफ एक्सटॉर्शन का केस पंजीबद्ध कर विवेचना में लिया है।
But there are key questions that are unanswered. Why was this extortion case against Ramesh Agarwal highlighted only after the terms of reference were cancelled by the Environment Ministry? And why did Jindal Power start construction without the requisite environment clearance or conducting a public hearing? While Executive Vice Chairman of the company Navin Jindal refused to react, his company representative stated, "The terms of reference have been withdrawn and we have changed the location of our project." Some NGOs thought that the construction has been started for the new 4x600 megawatt power plant and they objected to it. On their objection, we have stopped construction. The big question still remains, should a company which has mounting evidence against it of violating environmental laws be given permissions to operate at all? In New Delhi, Bahar Dutt.